All right, well, we just froze our butts off during the eclipse, and right as it got about 90%, 99%, somewhere around there, the clouds came in, and it was blowing snow and all that crap. I did get some really good pictures on the Nikon. Let's see if I can actually just show them to you. All right. There's one right there. Now, I'm not super familiar with this camera, so because of that, I'm not really able to adjust it. This was a flash lighting up the snow when it was in the air. It was really crazy looking. You can see the stars around it. We're going backwards with this. I was just trying to play around with it. I did the best in manual mode. That one's pretty good. There we go. The camera was in automatic mode, so I was like, I kept trying to do it in manual mode, and I was like, well, my settings were wrong. That was as the clouds were rolling in. You can see the atmosphere on it. So that's it.